Hello, bug friends. Welcome back to another virtual tour. We are in the Jerusalem protected forest, which is like this weird kind of deserty, dry forest ecosystem. And we have a really cool find for you today. This is a stick grasshopper. So he is not a stick insect. He is actually a grasshopper. You can tell by these big jumping legs that he has, and also the shape of his head. So you can see his eyes and his mouth that is pointing downwards. This is a small one, but they are obviously called stick grasshoppers because it is a grasshopper and, well, looks like a stick.
So why look like a stick if you are not a stick insect? Well, as it turns out, lots of insects can look like sticks, including praying mantises and, of course, this grasshopper. And that just happens because there are lots of stick-looking things in the environment outdoors. So regardless of who you are, looking like a stick is a legitimate strategy.
In Jerusalem, they like to live. I'll bring you over to where I found him. The life of an entomologist, face first in a bush. Okay, so this is where we find them, in this kind of mossy, this is actually a bromelia, it's not a moss, but perfectly camouflaged, as you can see. The only way you really find them is when you're like, weird, that little piece of moss just hopped. So there, here he is, kind of like in context. There you go.
Want to draw cool bugs and cool ecosystems like this? Come on our nature journaling tour. Link in description.